Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the DTC Diagnostic Trouble Code P003A, which refers to the Turbocharger Wastegate Control Actuator Position Exceeded Learning Limit, alongside P0046, indicating a Turbocharger Wastegate Control Actuator Circuit Range Performance Problem. Both DTCs pertain to critical components in the vehicle's turbocharging system, responsible for optimizing engine performance and efficiency. The turbocharger increases the engine's power output by forcing more air into the combustion chamber, and the wastegate controls the flow of exhaust gases into the turbine. This function is crucial for maintaining optimal boost pressure in the engine. Failure to address these DTCs can lead to reduced engine efficiency, increased emissions, and potential damage to engine components. The specific focus will be on troubleshooting the issues indicated by these codes in the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. The DTC P003A indicates that the turbocharger wastegate control actuator's position has exceeded its learning limit, meaning it is operating outside its expected range. This component plays a vital role in managing boost pressure by regulating exhaust flow to the turbine. When the actuator does not function correctly, it can lead to excessive pressure or not enough pressure, impacting engine performance. The P0046 code signifies a range or performance issue within the actuator circuit itself, suggesting that electrical signals to or from the actuator may not be functioning correctly. The turbocharger is located on the engine, typically near the exhaust manifold, and is essential for increasing the engine's power output. Proper functioning of both the actuator and its circuit are critical for vehicle performance. There are several potential causes for the DTC's P003A and P0046. One common issue is foreign materials obstructing the function of the turbocharger wastegate control actuator, possibly introducing blockages that prevent normal operation. Additionally, assessing the turbocharger for any physical damage, such as cracks in the cover or the actuator link, is essential, as these can significantly affect performance. Electrical problems, such as faulty connections or wiring issues in the actuator circuit, are also crucial factors that may lead to incorrect readings or actuator failures. Each of these issues can lead to impaired performance and should be thoroughly checked during the diagnostic process. Identifying the root cause will guide the repair process, ensuring effective resolution of the DTCs. The symptoms related to DTCs P003A and P0046 can significantly affect the driving experience. The most apparent symptom is typically the illumination of the check engine light CEL on the dashboard, alerting the driver that a diagnostic issue has been detected. Drivers may also experience a noticeable power loss during acceleration, as improper boost management from a malfunctioning turbocharger can result in reduced power output. Additional symptoms may include poor engine performance, hesitant acceleration, and potentially increased fuel consumption due to inefficient engine operation. These symptoms warrant immediate attention, as they can lead to more severe engine issues if left unresolved, emphasizing the importance of timely diagnostics and repairs. The first troubleshooting step is to verify the problem by turning the vehicle to the on mode. It's essential to utilize the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System to clear any existing DTCs. This step helps to reset the vehicle's diagnostic system and allows for the verification of any new or recurring issues. After clearing the DTC, start the engine and maintain a speed of 3,000 RPM without load, which can be achieved by placing the vehicle in park for CVT or neutral for manual transmission. until the radiator fan engages. Following this, select the electric wastegate function in the HDS to assess its status. Finally, check for either confirmed or pending DTCs. If P003A or P0046 is still indicated, then proceed to the next step. If not, the system may currently be operating correctly, but further inspection for poor connections or loose terminals is recommended. The second step involves inspecting the turbocharger for any foreign materials that may obstruct the wastegate control actuator link part. This inspection is crucial, as materials such as dirt, debris, or even wear particles can hinder the actuator's function, leading to incorrect positioning and performance issues. Additionally, examine the turbocharger cover for any visible damage that could affect its operation. Damage such as cracks or deformation can alter the functioning of the wastegate control actuator, highlighting the need for repair or replacement. If any foreign materials or damage are found, repair the affected parts and return to Step 1 for re-evaluation. If no issues are found, proceed to the next troubleshooting step to further assess the actuator's functionality. In the third troubleshooting step, the electric wastegate function will be tested using the HDS. This test is vital to assess whether the turbocharger wastegate control actuator is operating as intended. Following the test, a visual inspection of the actuator should be performed to ensure it responds appropriately during testing. If the actuator operates correctly, signaling that it performs as designed, you'll be directed to Step 4 to further check its position sensor. However, if the actuator does not operate, it indicates that a malfunction exists within the turbocharger itself, and replacement will be necessary. It is essential to correctly identify this step to prevent misdiagnosis and unnecessary repairs. The final troubleshooting step involves checking the turbocharger wastegate control actuator position sensor. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off-lock mode and disconnecting the turbocharger 5P connector. Then, turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This setup will allow measurement of the voltage between specified test points on the connector. It is crucial to check for approximately 5.0 volts between these test points, as this indicates that the position sensor is functioning correctly. If the voltage is present as expected, it indicates that the turbocharger may require replacement to resolve the issue. Conversely, if the voltage is absent, the position sensor is functioning correctly, prompting further investigation into the PCM or authorized service information related to the DTCs being addressed. After completing necessary repairs, it is vital to perform a final verification of the repair work. Clear the DTCs once more using the HDS, and conduct a test drive to allow the vehicle's systems to recalibrate and adapt to the repairs executed. This process will involve driving under similar conditions that previously triggered the DTCs, ensuring the vehicle operates correctly without any reoccurrence of symptoms. Following the test drive, it's critical to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs once more. If no codes reappear, it suggests that the repairs were successful and the issue has been resolved effectively. However, if the DTCs reappear, further investigation will be needed to identify any underlying issues that may not have been addressed. Preventive maintenance is vital to ensuring the longevity and optimal performance of the turbocharger and wastegate system. Regular inspections of turbo components can help identify wear and tear before it becomes a major issue. Maintaining a clean air intake is equally important, as contaminants can significantly affect performance and lead to premature failure of the turbocharger. Additionally, checking electrical connections to the turbocharger wastegate control actuator can prevent issues related to poor connectivity, which may trigger DTCs. Setting a routine maintenance schedule will help catch potential problems early and ensure that the turbocharging system operates efficiently. Fostering these habits can lead to reduced repair costs and increased engine performance over time. In conclusion, the DTCs P003A and P0046 indicate critical issues within the turbocharging system of the Honda Accord. Understanding the meanings of these codes helps in diagnosing and correcting issues effectively. Following the structured troubleshooting steps laid out in this guide ensures a comprehensive approach to diagnosing and repairing the turbocharger wastegate system. Additionally, regular maintenance practices will aid in preventing similar issues in the future and prolong the life of the vehicle's components. By addressing these DTCs promptly and efficiently, you can enhance vehicle performance and reliability, minimizing the risk of more severe engine problems. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.